BMW's B58 engine, launched in 2015 as part of the modular B series, is the latest chapter in the company's celebrated line of turbocharged straight sixes. It replaced the N55 with a mission to keep the silky character BMW fans love while correcting past weaknesses and pushing factory performance to new heights. Praised for strong stock output, remarkable tuning headroom, and 4 Ward's 10 Best Engine awards, the B58 now powers everything from the nimble M240i to the 3-row X7. But what makes this 3.0-liter so special? How did it evolve, and where are its weak spots? Let's dive in. Built around a closed-deck aluminum block coated with plasma-sprayed steel, the B58 combines strength with lightness. A forged steel crankshaft and drop-forged cracked connecting rods swing forged alloy pistons, while an internal oil return labyrinth keeps windage losses low. Twin-scroll turbocharging feeds an integrated water-to-air intercooler cast into a short plastic intake manifold, reducing lag and controlling heat far better than the N55's air-to-air setup. Up top, a 24-valve aluminum cylinder head houses double VANOS cam phasing and third-generation Valvetronic lift control, deleting a conventional throttle body and letting the engine breathe with millimetric precision. In late 2018, BMW issued the B58 TU1 revision. Engineers pared the timing drive from 2 chains to 1, shaved 6 kilograms with a lighter crank, and pushed fuel rail pressure from 200 bar to 350 bar using upgraded solenoid injectors. A cast-in cylinder head exhaust manifold improves warm-up and turbo response, while an enhanced oil cooler and larger charge air radiator keep temperatures in check. These tweaks bumped output to 382 horsepower in M Performance trims and prepared the platform for the 473 horsepower S58 used in the latest M3 and M4. Factory ratings span 320 horsepower in early 340i models to 382 in current M340i and M440i variants, with torque peaking between 450 and 500 Newton meters across an unusually broad rev band. A closed-deck block 11.0-to-1 compression and rapid spool from the twin-scroll turbo make the B58 feel naturally aspirated below 3000 RPM, yet explosive above it. Tuners regularly extract 450-500 horsepower on stock internals with only a software flash and basic bolt-ons, highlighting just how much headroom BMW baked in. Coolant loss and water pump failure. Low coolant warnings usually traced to a cracked expansion tank cap or a failing electric pump. Crystals at the pump's weep hole mean replacement time every 70,000 miles, thermostat 2. Head gasket hotspots. Sustained high-load heat can lift the multi-layer gasket. Sniff of sweet coolant, white startup smoke, or bubbles in the tank mean pressure test and early gasket swap. Delay invites warped heads. Carbon on intake valves. Direct injection lets oil mist bake onto valves by 62,000 miles, causing rough idle and misfires. Walnut blast every 6,000 miles and fit a catch can to slow the buildup. VANOS solenoid drag. Oil sludge slows the timing solenoids. Timing codes. Lazy throttle. Clean or replace the front solenoid easily. Rear one needs special tools but no engine lift. Valve cover or PCV cracks. Plastic cover houses the PCV. Heat cycling leads to cracks, whistling, blue smoke, and oil use. Cure is a full cover swap. Alloy upgrades exist for high boost cars. Oil filter cage fragments. The plastic cage inside the cartridge can shatter during hot oil changes, starving the engine briefly. Inspect each service and upgrade to the newest cap or an aluminum one. Accessory belt and tensioner wear. Weak tensioners and noisy idlers can let the belt walk into the crank seal. Renew belt, tensioner and idlers every 60,000 miles. And check alignment. Stay on top of these items, pair with 7,000-mile oil changes and routine coolant checks, and the B58 will deliver the reliability its accolades promise. With regular oil changes, high-quality coolant, and proactive water pump replacement, the B58 has proven capable of 300,000 miles without major internal work, an impressive leap over the N54 or N55 era. Its forged internals tolerate moderate power increases, while the simplified timing drive and integrated intercooler cut ancillary failures. Keep an eye on coolant level, perform periodic walnut blasting, replace the valve cover gasket around 100,000 miles, and the B58 rewards owners with M-car thrust and commuter car manners for the long haul.